What's up, guys? AK with DCCTrain live broadcast. Today I'm modifying ESU fluorescent light LED bar 50708 for Swiss double-decker. The first installation of the control car, I also cut it in pieces, but control car has a bigger cab, so it's definitely less lights. I think I use about, so it's total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 in groups. Okay, I believe I use 4 at least on first deck, and the rest on second deck, which is much shorter. This one, show you in a second, is a little bit different. And dilemma means to save the money, because if I'm using like 2 bars and it will be too much bright, then I need to lower the brightness, and also 2 extra capacitors and supercapacitors. And then the major problem, I'm not sure how to both of them react on the programming. Okay, so because they will be at the same address, or I need some kind of switch to disconnect one. It's or I need a they're just not easy to accomplish it. Means I need to put one on the address independent on the other decoder address, which is decoder right here. Okay, yes, you did great job. Anyway, so took me a while to figure out using 1 bar for 1 car. All right, so today I'm trying my best to work fast, but quality also. So I need to mark them, cut them, and solder them. So you need to solder top and the bottom. It's 8 connectors in between. I'm using ESU wire right here, and that's what we're going to do. And depends, the broadcast will be about an hour. See what I can do in 1 hour. The previous, again, bar, I did it in a couple of days. So I cut, first I cut definitely 3, then I wasn't satisfied. So yeah, I cut from here 3 this way for the first deck. And upper deck, see, it's only like short. You see my fingers both? Yeah, it's really short. So that's what we're going to do right here, right now. Also, I kind of figure out, because I think I need another 7 or 8 cars to go. So this is the second one done. So I think it's 6. Just need to figure out. So I'm cutting 3 stays here, and I'm cutting it right there. So I need to make coding system to figure out which one. So let's do like 2 stripes because it's a lot of space here. 2 stripes here, 2 stripes here. So 1, 2, and those my pads, or just big one, massive, yeah, thick one, because it will be another coating on this side, and we'll do something like this here. Okay, that's good. So that's one cut. Now this will be, if I do 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, makes sense. Then here will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This guy will be 2, and those will be separate. Okay, so 2, 1, 2. Okay, that's good. 1. Then that will be 1. Just make it bigger one. And 1 here. And that will be, I'm not worried about right now. Then probably I can do just 2, like I'm planning to do, but I messed up. Definitely 2. So, because this will be like huge 8 wires bundle going from top to the bottom, and I did a couple of videos to show you how I accomplish it. So now, so we're doing like 2. Yeah, let's do 2. Like 1, 2. Better this time. Yeah, definitely. So I'm cutting it here, and 2 is going the other way. Okay, so 1, 1, 2. Then I'll, yeah, so I'm cutting it here. It connects to the bottom, and those 2 will be, let's say, how about horizontal like this? Okay, bingo. So I know what to do with the next one. Let's show this to the camera. So thick, thick, 4, 3, 2, 1, double stripe, and horizontal. I like that. Pretty cool. It's getting colder. It's getting colder. All right. So I'm cutting this section because it will be like extra wires. I didn't measure those actually in my previous videos, but it will be just by eye on the go. Cutters here. So this is first deck. So 1, 2, 3. Big deal. You cutting it exactly. So one time, I think I just didn't pay attention. I don't remember, honestly. It was a couple of months ago. So I cut it right here. I fix it. So I think I did. Anyway, so that's, oh, maybe not. Not sure about like internal, because it's like 3. I don't think so. It has that crossing over through, actually through the board right there. I don't think so. It's something in the middle of it. So anyway, this is no go. It's not correct. Nothing will work. Okay, so here I go. Let's do it. First here. Tamiya cutters for plastic. I'm cutting pretty much everything. I'm doing from both sides. So first side and this side. Just one. Okay, now I can unsolder those marker LEDs for different passenger car. They are connected, the whole thing connected to energy storage, which is that supercapacitor. Okay. However, if you're going to use it for different purpose, you need to reprogram it. And reprogramming with a manual, no, that's the reason I have a programmer. So yeah, it's means of course it can be done, but I just can't imagine to go to those CVs to reprogram function mapping. Yeah, kind of scary. Scary. Looks like they're using flux, not some paste or some, let's see if I can smell it. I'm smelling my flux. Yeah, it's not bad. Because some paste still messing around. Okay. Last time, the best way, just go and just one by one, I think, rather than cut everything and then try to match. No, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, next, and then going to the first layer, first deck. What I'm trying to say, I don't need those two. Yeah, just about a little bit over inch the size of the wire, so I can also, they will be flexible. So I'm doing first how I did it last time. When I start cutting all of them here. Yeah, I did like first layer, all those connectors, okay, because you cannot really mess up, possible, but not really. Then I flip it and I did the bottom part. So some stuff here, get rid of it. Okay. Now, yeah, so that's the goal. No messing around, just top and the bottom. Solder, cut, solder, etc. 2 viewers. Interesting. This channel is not, I'm not doing this on main channel. I will be getting a lot of comments or something. But perfect time to ask questions. Actually, I described recently about ROCO Z21 Pro Link, what exactly doing. And I think they did, ROCO did a lot of update with not command station and firmware, just like main thing on the website. And honestly, I didn't touch a lot till I retired recently, actually settled down everything. And yeah, so we're talking about like this size. So I'm not cutting, I'm not measuring anything, I'm just cutting it like this, sort of, so it's here, right, too close. So I'm stretching it in the car. I think it's like that. I mean, so I have the video about it exactly. So now DCCTrain is full-time job, and it's a lot of fun. Holidays is over. So I describe about that Pro Link, Z21 Link, Z-Link. That's how they calling it in the manual. Maybe they're putting 21, but Z-Link. So it's an interface to the decoders, signal, and signal and switch decoder. It's only one way. I was thinking like, no, they are CAN bus, B bus for booster. Well, they have a lot of different interfaces. Loconet, that sniffer bus. Means it was, guess, popular. But if you have only one system, I'm not sure. Like it's good idea to connect to your old system. You're not gonna get any extra juice, doing that. But yeah, if you have a like running session, like small club layout, different digital system can connect it to that sniffer port. And yeah, you can use your throttles from different systems. But Loconet is working at, so Digitrax, no issues. Lens, absolutely no problem because it's ExpressNet. What else? Uhlenbrock is not popular in the States, so don't worry about it. So here, sometimes I'm doing just putting a little extra flux just on the pad, okay? Then touching it to tint the wire. Depends. So what else? Means of course NC, yeah, NC has own proprietary protocol. So NC can be connected, but you need extra booster if you bigger layout, more than 5 amps, and using like NC throttle, which is absolutely no problem. Beginning of the Good. Just adapting. All right. So then I'm cutting those two wires identical and about 3 millimeters. We have 3 millimeters for, it's actually opposite. This is like longer. No biggie. Okay. About 3 millimeters like here. Okay. And like this. So I tried to pre-cut everything. No, didn't work very well. Just easy this way. Then I'm stripping them at the same time and we'll tilt them at the same time. And there is no mess, no problem to messed up. So those wires great. First the gray means I try to look at the car maybe like 30 to 45 degrees. You will see that means you need to be so layout will be like at the show, you know, like at the show they're very high raised, about like meter, like 3 to like 4 feet, and no, there's no way. And I took pictures. I'll make like short actually. See how clean that no wires means installation. Yeah, so good. All right, just make sure like this. So I'm going this way using my supporting third arm. You see it, right? Yeah. Okay, and see, all good. I believe I already put flux, but it's not gonna hurt. Flux, only extra flux, always good. No, I'll take it back. So the terminal on ESU decoder with board with decoder, like the capacitors built in, or even a regular board ESU with the micro on it, not nano, micro. And if it's a lot of flux, and I fixed one decoder, guy brought it back saying, yeah, not working. I open it, took the micro, clean it, put back. So that's the goal. And see how it's flexible, and the distance is nice now. Okay, same procedure. 4, 4. Nice. So it doesn't matter which way to start. I'm just going to rotate a few times. So 4, 4. Bingo. So that ROCO link, Z-Link, I find out I have a booster for sale since we remodel website. I think I have it like for 2 years. I put it, I think it was on the old website. Anyway, so connected. The nice part, you don't need a connect to digital system. That's how it's working, or providing power. You connect that Z-Link. It looks like very like computer connector they're using for. It's like 6-pin connector. So don't need the power. Just powering with small USB port. That Z-Link by itself, and you can open the browser, type the IP address on the local network, because it will be connected wirelessly, and you can see internal like parameters and adjust. So its main purpose for, of course, updates, but the really big picture purpose is to set up the decoder. For example, I'm talking about, because it's European stuff, I'm talking about museum layout, or like huge city, like city hall center, people visiting a lot. Usually big cities, not small cities, big cities, they have like couple public layouts. At least it was in the 90s, 2000. But you're building that layout because technology changed, of course. Some different company, maybe like joint venture, and actually designing layout and electronics. Usually this is how it's working. So then you hiring installers, which is they building layout and they putting that electronics, and then you sending them like a file to exactly using that computer interface to exactly set up that layout. That's pretty slick, because we're talking about 50 to 100 switches, decent size layout. Then you need to manually in a different for different settings, for different whatever purposes, and like need a pamphlet, with instructions exactly what to do with them. But just using data saved, there is some special format for it, like Excel exporting file like that. Just give instruction to the guy who is programming it, maybe the guy installing at the same time, but he will be not adjusting anything, because it means he will troubleshoot stuff, but it means saving time and money, of course, to send that engineer or group of engineers who design layout to do adjustment, actually setting all those switches. Here I go. Very good idea, smart. So through that interface, we're talking about minutes, to set up. You're just sending that file, I believe, or give exactly instructions to the decoder, signal decoder, and actually and switch decoder as well. Yeah, a lot of fun. Oh, I didn't tint it here. It's no problem. Nice. So half an hour. We'll see. I think I spent about what 10-15 minutes to just settle down everything here, and now I just can execute everything. Try my best fast. But again, it's not conveyor, guys. Takes time. Okay, the short one here, and short it here. About 3 millimeters. Okay, then I rotate it. Sometimes I'm just using this guy, but yeah, sometimes I'm just putting like good scotch, not made in USA. I think it's still made in USA. Just scotch like this to hold it. That's it. Yeah, pretty cool device. First, when I got it 2 years ago, means I don't have really use of it. Right now it's with the new firmware and that crazy adjustment for the signal decoder. I definitely can use it because I'm like I lost. So with that update for signal decoder, they will bring, unfortunately, no like an American, a North American signaling system there. Means you can do it. It's like templates. You can do everything manually, adjust whatever you like. But they have templates for like bunch of stuff. Too much stuff. Need to clean that stopper. Oh, they have stuff for most like Germany, Austria, Switzerland. I believe very positive. Yeah, I'll make the video. I did video in Russian, but I'll definitely make video in English as well. Because right now, guys from like Germany watching my videos. I'm like, what? About Zemo. It's not a lot of videos about Zemo programming. That's why. That's why. Here we go. Okay, the bottom part will be more fun. I don't want to close my eyes, but pretty much you it's very easy, said Alex. And messed up. Okay, 3. Fun. Let's do it in 1. Just not very just slowly. Here I go. Here I go. 3, 3. Okay. All right. Not sure where it's made, but let's see. Just curiosity. Made in China. Not bad. This is newer. I have older ones. Whatever first time they show up, like 14 something, without decoder, just a bar, okay, without decoder, but they used different supercapacitors, just different type. That's, I have no idea. Maybe made some in Europe. I'm speculating. No clue. No clue. But that's assembly is very good. Hmm? No problem. Okay. Nice. Definitely need to clean that. Now I just need to replace with a new stopper, usually once a week. That thing protecting, if you, when we're selling this flux in that dispenser as well, you'll get it. It's on the website. Okay. Fun. Mm. Come on. Okay, just some residue from the tip. Okay, now it's going this way. So I'm cutting it the same size. Okay. And the first and fourth getting shorter. Perfect. I didn't cut it, or did I? That was the same. Okay, now I need to cut that here. Ooh, a little bit messed up. Here we go. Okay, the first is too long. So overall, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 wires per cut, like 48 wires. Okay, no biggie. But resolving issue if the, like, putting this decoder on the same address, that's, I still don't understand how. In the same car, that's my point. It's separate car, optically means, yeah, it's a different node if you wish. Yeah, but in the same, definitely need a micro, like, switch or something to disconnect it. Ha ha ha. That's what I forgot to do. Here we go. Easy peasy. Always need flux. I saw, like, guitar builder. The guitar costs like a couple of grand. Soldering without flux, just using whatever here in rosin. Not sure how the guitar will sound if it's like cold soldering or whatever. Who knows? But yeah, no go. Yeah, I like that actually. Let's hook it up. Gives me a little bit more room to adjust everything. Yes, here we go. That's why easy. Easy peasy. Good. In the morning, I think I did it even faster, but I don't think so. It will be like big difference. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes, and that is going out of here. Let's just cut it right now. So that's first deck. Here we go. Yeah, first deck, horizontal, and 2. Yeah, no problem. We'll make sure you're testing the whole thing. Yeah, so 2 cuts here. 1, I think I'm going to stop like exactly in 1 hour of streaming. So 1 1. Okay, put it here, and I just finish without. Oh, I think I'm going to just record the video without like broadcasting. Let's see. That may be a good idea. So I think just pushing that process maybe hour and a half. Per. So my goal is like 2 cars, at least 1.5, and start the next one at the end of the day. The thing is, I don't want to do it like put all those preparation, maybe 2, 3, and like 4, and make and install in the cars. Okay, that's the plan. That's the plan. I'm not getting it's no boring, but I just want to do something different as well. If it's if it's like 100, I will probably do the whole thing, yeah, in one batch. Then I will install everything in one batch. It means I have enough space to like took apart probably 10 easily, you know, and put them in a different like containers, but not necessary. It's enjoy what you're doing. Enjoy what you're doing. All right. Things easy. I will do it like this way. Tint. Solder. Yeah, that will work. Just one by one. One by one. Good deal. Yeah, that guitar builder was expensive guitar, like custom something, and no flux. US guy. I think guy is in the US, yes. But I think it's they always want more like distortion stuff. Maybe loose wire or cold soldering will do that, that effect. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, 2 2 2 2 3 3. We good. We good. I'll put this guy here. Just easy peasy. Yeah, get like $3,000 guitar. Oh, I don't know how much that means. Custom cost like even more if it's super custom. A couple of grand. No, I mean it's like 20, 30 something grand. If it's really good guitar. Yeah, and I'm stripping yeah, because it's not avionics. Not at all. Oh, mistake. Didn't cut the short. Here I go. Okay, good. So the bottom will be my no, one more. I'll take it back. Yeah, one more. One more. One more, and we'll probably call it a day. And when I for the bottom, yeah, I'll do just a video. Okay. Nice. I think I messed up. Didn't cut it right. Yep. Didn't do it right. I mean, it's not a big deal. Just more looking better. Here we go. Longer. Good. Next longer. Perfecto. And short one. Excellent. Yeah. Good deal. I really messed up. See? Too much talking. Flip it upside. Oops. No biggie. Wow. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. The bottom part will be much easy to manage it. Yes. Much easy. Ooh. Alex. Messed up. Messed up. It's actually easy to find out. Yeah. What I did, I think I started doing both sides at the same time. Ooh, not good idea. Absolutely not. Yes, that was bad idea. I probably twisted it wrong too. But yeah, so just top side, oops, and the bottom side. Alrighty. So it's plenty of flux, so I'm not worried. Not worry. Good. All shiny. Temperature is, in this case, I'm using like 550 because of the board. Means those pads on the board. Yes. So here we go. What's this? All right. One more. So, oh really? I really messed up completely. I shouldn't cut it. Oh la la. This is going to here. 2, 2. Should I just unsolder here and flip it? Yeah. Double messed up. Double. Ooh, 2, 2. I like my system. Good jobby. Theoretically, you can use new board. See, I don't think so. New board will give you the same thing. And just readjust. So they are in the groups. Like 3, how many? 11 LEDs. I believe it's up to function 7. So function 2, turning everything on. So F3, F4, F5, F6, F7. So 5 groups. I think that's what it is. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 5 groups. Double messed up. Ooh, 2, 2. Yeah, if you guys coming and going, coming in, going out, I didn't get any comments. It's okay. Means I'm not. I didn't stream for probably like 6 months or something. This channel is. See, every time I'm doing something, I don't say like complicated or like advanced, I should say, on main channel. Sometimes I'm not blocking anybody. I'm just kind of laughing on the comments, but that stuff kind of went away. Yeah, I don't have like really bad comments or some. But definitely, if I did it like this on main channel, even like short video explaining basic, not basic soldering. No, I guess guys wants to watch just trains. Layouts. Yeah. Layout tour. That's what I'm going to do. Local guys, fancy. There you go. Fancy guys. Fancy local guys. Okay. Huh? Good. Nice. So this 2 2 and 1 1. Ooh, that was good one. Good one. Hey. So shorter strip. Yep. Yep. I got from Walters. I got their turntables, and we'll probably build. I just need to. I'm behind on installations. Yeah, so working. Since before retirement. Oh, oops! Again, mistake. Shorter. Like the previous year was like 6 months. First 24. First 6 months of. I'm sorry. 25. Yeah. Oh boy. With that before retirement position. Oh man. Crazy. But it's over. It's over. Okay. So no messing around. No messing around. Now we need to flip that. It's 2, 2, 2. And just one more. Yes. There. Okay. And like double strip. Whew. 1. 2. Come on. 3. Perfecto. So 2, 2. Ay. That's a lot of fun. So 1, 1. Lucky day. Actually, and then strip. Two strips going to the first deck. Perfecto. Whew. Yes, that was a good one. That's a good one. Okay. And yeah, that's the best way. 3. Oh, I joined group for Swiss Railroad on Facebook. Put picture of that. I don't think so they allow from the beginning like link automatically to what's going on to YouTube or whatever. It just like system rejecting. So I just put a comment. Then a couple of guys ask like, do you have a how I do it thing? And I published a couple of videos. Oh boy, I got so many feedback. Good one. Okay, so dun, 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 3. That's place for plus, like positive, I believe. Yeah, that's positive, that's negative for supercapacitor. Okay, then 3. It's the light distributing very well. 1 1 1 1 1. So this is for almost like an entire car. I think maybe those two together, but it's no big deal. In the first attempt I did, let me see actually, and we will be done. Uno momento. Let's see, but it's no biggie. I think we're good. Oh, cannot see anything. Oops. It's okay. I need to just turn my digital system and see if I lit up. Address 3 3 2 for everything. Okay. Yeah. 3 together, 3 separate, and 2 together. Yeah, so it will be almost like this. The capacitor holding charge. I'll try my best. No, it's not like right. It needs to sit like for a couple of minutes. Yeah, so this will be almost like that. Gives a little bit more space. Just a little bit. Cannot see those wires, not at all. Maybe charge. 30 more seconds. Okay, let's put this away. I'll try to show you. It's almost like at the end. It's in between windows or something. Okay, try my best. Yeah, see? This will be separate. They're already bye-bye. Anyway, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do. That's a very good idea. That's will be right on the window. Not on the window, on separation between the windows. Bingo. Awesome. All right. Hour, 10 minutes with 2 mistakes. Let's check it one more time. Okay. White, white. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You saw that white? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. 1. 1. And that's 2 for the first deck. That's a good one. All right, guys, thanks for coming. It wasn't a lot of interaction, but it's okay. No problem. I think I'm going to do like 2 broadcasts on per day, I guess, and like few videos, but main channel mostly for reviews and DCCTrain Plus channel in Russian. Reviews, some new stuff coming, like projects and all that stuff. All right. So that will be all for today. Thanks for coming. There is a link in the description to join membership. Yeah, it's like absolutely inexpensive if you want to say thank you. But that's what it is. This channel is not monetized at this point. All right. Bye-bye.